In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new admin user to WordPress. Whether you're running a blog, managing a business site, or collaborating with a team, adding an administrator can be an essential part of sharing responsibilities and maintaining your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to invite new users, assign them the correct permissions, and ensure they have the access they need to help manage your WordPress site efficiently. If you're new to WordPress, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress login page. This is where you'll access your site's dashboard. Once you're on the page, look for the login option. You'll find it in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. Next, instead of manually entering your credentials, select the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to speed up the login process, especially if you're already signed into Google on your browser. It removes the need to type in your username and password manually, saving you time and effort. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Select the correct Google account you want to use for WordPress. This step is important because it ensures you're logging into the right profile. If you have multiple accounts, double-check to make sure you're picking the one linked to your WordPress site. After logging in successfully, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the Users section. It's typically located on the left-hand menu. Click on Users to enter the section where all user roles and permissions are managed. This is the control center for managing who can access your site and what level of authority they have. Now, within the Users section, look for the Add New User option and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to invite new team members or administrators to your site. Once you're on the Add New User screen, you'll need to assign the new user a role. In this case, we're adding an administrator, so be sure to select Administrator from the drop-down menu. Choosing this role is crucial because it gives the new user full permissions to manage every aspect of the site, just like you. Only assign this role to someone you trust completely. Next, enter the new user's email address or username into the designated field. This is the information WordPress will use to send an invitation to the new user, so make sure it's accurate and up to date. Finally, click the Send Invitation button. By doing this, WordPress will send an email to the new user with clear instructions on how to complete their registration and accept the admin invitation. Once they follow the steps in the email, they'll be all set to start managing the site alongside you. And that's it. You've successfully added a new admin user to your WordPress site. Now your team member or collaborator can dive in and help manage the platform with all the necessary permissions. If you have any questions or if there's another WordPress topic you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.